Another day, another story. Now let's dive into the process of disputing negative items on your credit reports. There are two main methods you can use: online disputes and written disputes. 1. Online disputes. Visit the websites of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and navigate to their dispute resolution pages. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Identify the negative items you want to dispute and follow the instructions provided on each bureau's website to initiate the dispute. Provide the necessary information, such as account details and reasons for the dispute. Submit the dispute and keep a record of the confirmation or reference number for future reference. 2. Written disputes. Write a letter to each credit bureau separately. Make sure to include your full name, address, and social security number. Clearly identify the negative items you are disputing and provide a detailed explanation of why you believe they are inaccurate or incomplete. Include any supporting documentation, such as payment receipts or correspondence, that can help support your dispute. Send the letters via certified mail with a return receipt requested to ensure proof of delivery. Keep copies of the letters, supporting documents, and the mailing receipts for your records. Once the credit bureaus receive your dispute, they have 30 days to investigate and respond. During this time, they will contact the data furnishers, creditors or collection agencies responsible for the reported information and request verification. If the data furnishers cannot provide sufficient evidence to validate the disputed items, the credit bureaus are obligated to remove them from your credit reports. It's important to note that removing negative items from your credit reports does not guarantee an immediate increase in your credit score. However, having inaccurate or unjustified negative information removed can improve your creditworthiness over time. Additionally, it's crucial to continue practicing responsible credit behavior by paying bills on time, reducing debt, and maintaining a healthy credit utilization ratio. Remember, the process of disputing negative items on your credit reports can take time and persistence. Stay organized, keep track of correspondence, and follow up if necessary. Consider seeking guidance from a reputable credit counseling agency or credit repair service if you need professional assistance in navigating the credit repair process. Improving your credit score and financial health is a gradual process, but with determination and the right strategies, you can achieve your goals and regain control of your credit. Thanks for watching.